A very warm good morning, everyone. My name is Dheeraj Vidhani. I'm Industrial Channel Business Development Manager for the Secure Power team of Schneider Electric. I'm delighted to be here to talk to you about a very interesting topic that is the edge computing infrastructure for AI-powered industrial automation. Just before that, maybe a quick question. How long do you think you can go without your phone being connected to internet? Okay. Quite hard in the modern life, right? So exactly. So we are talking about modern life, right? Similarly, we can't be disconnected from the world from any kind of without internet, without laptop. In the same way, we are in the industrial transformation right now, where everything is connected, everything is digitized, and industries, all the machines are talking to each other, and that is the key enabler of the digitization today in this year, right? And one of the key enablers of this big industrial digitization is artificial intelligence. We have been talking about artificial intelligence last couple of years, and at the moment, every company, every automation industry which is going ahead cannot define their strategy for future without considering artificial intelligence. In the same way, cloud computing, where everyone is right now reviewing how they collect data, how they store data, how they analyze data, and in the same way, cloud computing is further leading to more and more data being generated in industry, and that means more digitization. Similarly, Internet of Things, digital twin, machine learning, these all are the key contributor to the digitization today in our industry, right? Moving forward, as you probably know that we have a theme of life science this year at Hannover Messe for Schneider Electric. We are talking about, you can see here a typical life science campus and how a hybrid IT network looks like. We are a firm believer, and we have been talking about that from last many years, that IT and OT coming together is the future. IT-OT convergence, where IT technology or is more coming closer to the operational technology, and this is how the drive for digitization is further increased, right? What are the factors which are driving or making this network more hybrid day by day for the life science campus? Example here is, for example, a 5G connectivity. 5G connectivity, you see here all the products at our booth or any other booth at Hannover Messe. Every product is talking to each other, every machine is talking to each other, and this needs lower latency to talk to each other. That means we need more connected products with high speed. And this is how 5G connectivity is further ensuring that everything is well connected at a high speed. Apart from that, everything is working with sensors today. Every machine has sensors, whether it's be temperature, whether it's be motion, whether it be detecting things. We are talking about sensor technology. We are analyzing a lot of data, which is important for all kind of analytics further. Apart from that, we are talking about efficiency, interoperability, smart devices. These are the key factors, which are part of a hybrid IT network. Which is making further complexity, or which is adding further complexity to the environment. If you see, in the traditional IT environment, there was predominantly a regional edge or a regional data center which was dominating and fulfilling the IT needs in any kind of industrial environment and helping to store the data. But what's happening right now? Thanks to cybersecurity and new apps, connected products, right now everything is connected, and we have, of course, the central cloud, which is further connected to the products, and this is helping the local edge or the local machines to be connected to the central cloud. At the same time, because there is a need of low latency in today's environment, where every machine is connected, and a lot of data is being generated, and this data needs to be analyzed at the shop floor. That means we need a quick analytics, quick operational. That means everything has to be done on the shop floor. And there is no possibility that a typical environment or the old environment where the data was sent back to the data center, typical data center, and brought back to the edge works in today's environment, because we need to be super fast. And that's how we have generated a lot of demand at the local edge, where local edge also now needs local data centers on the shop floor to analyze each and every product. And is this easy at the moment? No. That means each of these individual nodes are now more than ever critical and needs more availability, more efficiency, and more security, right? And this has created a further demand for the better infrastructure or the better edge computing infrastructure at the site, at each of these nodes. How we as Schneider Electric help you do that? You can see we have a critical power infrastructure with us. On the left, you can see a distributed IT environment or distributed IT infrastructure where you have single-phase UPSs on the for the computers and peripheral network and edge. At the same time, you have racks and enclosures, cooling, prefabricated data centers, and three-phase UPSs on the data center side. As well as on the commercial and industrial need, we have three-phase UPSs and EcoStruxure ruggedized modular data center. These all products and portfolio combine our portfolio together to help you to secure or to ensure the availability at each of these nodes, which we saw in the previous slide. That means to ensure that you are always available, your machines are always available, your IT infrastructure is always available without any compromise on the reliability. Not to forget, we have a series of software, be it EcoStruxure IT, EcoCare, or from Aviva or ETAP, which also further makes your connectivity or analytics further easier, right? I want to highlight here that we are not doing it alone. We have a series of partners and alliances, for example, our alliance partner like HPE, Dell, and as well as our cloud and service provider partners like Entity Data, who are joining hands with us to help you give overall solution along with the edge as well as the infrastructure needs. I want to highlight you a recent development that we joined hands with Entity Data to provide the whole infrastructure for AI innovation at the end. And to make a pilot of that, we tried the first pilot with the Entity Data with one of the Schneider facilities at Lexington, and that became a pioneer of how we will be going forward with deploying the edge infrastructure and the edge servers along with the total Schneider Electric facilities. And this is what we are going to do further with a lot of customers. As you can see here, we have officially put up the news as well as for the success stories in Germany. And this is what we are going to do further. Yeah? So I would like to invite you to our data center booth, which is right end of the booth, to please visit us and discuss if you have any questions regarding the presentation or if you want to know further regarding our data center ecosystem or anything related to our partner alliance programs as well. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.